Yes, Jimmy.
Why do we bother completing the square of maths? Why don't we just factorise?
Funny you should ask that, Jimmy. There are two reasons that we complete the square. One is so that we can solve a quadratic when we can't use the other two methods, which remember are factorising and the quadratic formula. And two is so that we can find the coordinate for the turning point of a quadratic graph.
What do you want now, Jimmy?
All right, sir. Well, you haven't even explained what the turning point is. What's that?
Well, Jimmy, a quadratic graph either looks like this or this. A smiley face if you've got a positive x squared, or a sad face if you've got a negative x squared. The turning point is where either of these graphs change direction, which is here or here.
What, Jimmy?
Well, how do you get the turning point then from completing the square? Well, Jimmy, I was just getting to that. When you've got a quadratic and you've done the complete square form on it, you need to get the turning point as a coordinate. It's always the opposite to what's in the bracket, and then whatever this value is here is the y coordinate. So the turning point here, TP for turning point, is going to be -3.